morning from the village. Now we are here because of this this looker right here. Now this is the Subaru WRXSTI, the GVF, or as we commonly know it here as the N16. Briefly, I'll take just like about 3 or 4 minutes on it. Now this, let me just show you around. This is what we call the N16, the GVF. Now it's a sedan. From the shape of it, it's a sedan. You can see it's quite a looker. If you're looking for a car to slay, this right here is one car that slays. Comes with Brembo brakes, 18-inch wheels, Brembo front and rear. The rear wing, or the rear spoiler, the wing, the STI wing. Man, this is quite something. Now from the front of it, you look at it, looks like it works out. Looks like it goes on Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays on gym. Look at the bulge out fenders, you know, the wide fenders. Quite a cleaner. The legendary scoop, the iconic Subaru scoop, Subaru stance. There you have it. Look at the lights. These are aftermarket. I mean, yeah. So from the outward, it's a win. It's a win. It's a win. The ground clearance, it's quite low. It's lower than your standards. That some of your standards. Tunajua wale watu mnakula. I mean, zile chakula mnakula. Yeah. So that's that. Let me show you the engine. It comes with a 2.5 liter engine on the 2500cc. Comes with a 2500cc. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's your top mount intercooler. Your red top. This is an aftermarket intake. So what you're looking at 2500cc flat 4 engine. There we have it. Now this one is mated to an automatic normal auto gearbox that I really doesn't, I mean, geez. Yeah, here you have it. It's mated on a normal auto. I really don't like the auto. I wish Subaru would just do some DCT, you know, get some dual clutch performance, maze. This normal auto is not really, well, it's good, but it's not working for me, man. Anyway, your STI bucket seats, yeah, you've got it. Nyuma iko sawa pia. Now this is still aftermarket. Your screen, let me just start the car. And by the way, vipa iko juu sana, ndio mnaona mafuta hatuna. Tunaweka till number hapo, by the way 614434. Tumeniza mafuta tuweze kufanya hizi reviews. Now for those of you who are excited about the clock, goes all the way to 260. Your rev count starts at, your red line starts at 6867 hapo. Fuel ndio hiyo hatuna. Cold start. Alafu now this car gives you options of driving. Over here you have the sport sharp. Then when you press it in, it's intelligence. So ndio hiyo hapo. This one, the SI drive, that one. So intelligent, sport. It's quite cold, so I don't think it will select the sport sharp. Yeah, it can't. So there you have it. That's your STI. Now all this is coughs out 305 horsepower, and I really detest from talking about the horsepower because we get these cars when they are 8 years old. Let me just show you around as I talk. We get these cars when they are 8 years old, so probably they have lost quite a number of power before even they get here. There you have it. So those of you who come on the comments and saying, oh, sijui you didn't tell us about sijui what, the horsepower, the 0 to 100. Well, those are just Google figures. Yeah, they are right, they are good to know, but by the time this car gets here, trust you me, because of the attitude, because of the, is it attitude or altitude? Where? Whatever. Because of that, because of the fuel, because of the age, it's not really doing as you would suspect, as you'd see, as you'd read on what do we call it, on Wikipedia. So there we have it. This, the N16, the A-lines comes with the auto, but we have the UK spec which comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox, 2.5 liter, about 2500cc. This might be on sale. I don't know, tunazaona anyway, we'll see about that. But that briefly, ladies and gentlemen, hiyo ndio tunaita GVF or an N16, quite a looker. Now for slaying and performance, 305 horsepower, 280 torques. That's what you get from this beast over here. Wow. Negative comments about it, maybe the auto gearbox is the only thing that detests me. Other than that, quite good. And it's good to let you know that when you get it, tafadhali talk to your tuner, let him adjust some few things here and there so that you can run safely on this car. If you've got some money, you can put some meth, you can install a meth kit on it for good fuel figures, for good octane figures and all that, because you don't want to start messing around with this car. It can be quite expensive. So just some good tune and a good meth. There's some guys I can recommend. I can recommend Chris Paul, I can recommend Leroy Auto Tune, can recommend KJ. They're good guys. They can sort you out if you get this car. Sawa sawa. All right.